Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's day 4, I guess, working on the truck. We had a snafu with paint. I gave him the wrong paint code on the white, so I'm still working on guy that owns the shop back there washing his pickup truck. It's Saturday morning. I feel legitimately like we were out here drinking all night last night, and we were not. I haven't drank in quite a while, actually. So I'm guessing I'm dehydrated. Excuse me. I just got done eating my so-called breakfast. But, so I'm going to be drinking water today. Switching all my lights over. I was doing some videoing on that yesterday. I didn't record it all because, I mean, it's the same crap over and over again. But I got a panel inside that I switched all the lights over. It's one of the ones that's not being replaced. I just got to get it all wired up and ready for plugs and stuff, because I think on Monday I'm going to get some weather pack plugs to put on it. But, yeah, so that's the story. I don't know how you can hear that, but he's back there washing his pickup truck out. So anyway, I'm going to go in here and get started. We'll talk to you later. All right, so this is the panel that I did yesterday. Got the lights all changed out. Got some video of the low side and the high side. And now I just gotta get this rat's nest tied up and put away. I'm going to get some weather pack plugs that are going to be, this one here is for the low side connection. And this side here, this wire here, okay. This wire here will be for this is your ground, white is the ground on big trucks, and this will be the positive for the low side. The low side meaning it won't be as bright, and then the high side will flash as a turn signal. But I'm going to get some weather pack plugs on Monday. See if I can get this stuff back up, stay back up. Put on the ends of these so that you don't get any salt and crap in them, because these connections will corrode. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put some dielectric grease on in all of these connections right here. So pull it all back apart, put the grease in there, and then zip tie everything up. And then this panel will be almost done. Get the weather packs put on it next week after the stores open up, because it's Saturday, so nothing's open. So there you go.
When the day turns into night, it's you. Under my eyelid, one big fight, it's you. As long as you're there, like the sun kisses the clouds, it's game on. Racing pulse, we get loud. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture, like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on. I'm a clenched fist in the rain for you. A mental patient, half insane. It's you. Now everything can go to pieces. I don't care. Like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on. Racing pulse, we get loud. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I won't do it, no, no way, I'm saying so. I could pretend that you're doing okay. I could give in when you want it your way, but I won't do it, no, no way, I'm saying so. He's been seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to open the scars he left behind. You won't believe who he's calling that to. You don't deserve what he's putting you through. It's not your fault, though, no, no way.